Hi my beautiful friends, so today I'm going to show you how to get this cute, easy nail art, which is also my favorite form of nail art these days. So all you need is freezer or sandwich bags, and you will also need some acetone and some nail paint of your choice, whatever combination you want. So I'm just going to pour some of the nail paint on my freezer bag, and I'm going to spread it out. Now when you spread this out, make sure that it's not too thin or too thick, just the right amount of how you will be applying your nail paint on your nails. So once I'm done with that, I'm just going to pour down some random dots of black nail polish onto the spread. Now I'm going to be taking some blue nail paint and again some random dots out of that, and some glitter purple nail paint and again some random dots. Once you're done with that, you're going to need a brush like this. You can even use a toothpick. Just dip your brush in acetone and just make sure it's not too hard. And then you're going to start drawing down lines like this. Now you need to be really quick with this because the upper layer of the nail paint should not dry off. It should be pretty wet enough to make down this pattern. Now I'm going to do it on the opposite side, taking it on the opposite direction like this. So I'm just going to show you one more form of this. So I'm just going to put down some yellow nail paint and then some black random dots on that and some golden glitter dot randomly over that. And another form of pattern which I would do is the swirling pattern. So just using my brush and swirling it all over the thing so that we get a nice pattern out of it. Now once you're done with all this, you have to leave it overnight. Let's completely dry. So this is how it is once you leave it, and it's going to be very easy to peel off your pattern. And if there is a little bit problem in just taking it off, just use a sharp thing to get off the corners and voila. So I'm going to be using this pattern today, and what I need to do is I need to cut this off like I'm going to be applying this on my 2 fingers. So I'm going to cut down 4 blocks out of it. And now I'm going to apply a very thin coat of the same base color which I used in my pattern, and then I'm going to place the decal on my nail, and with a cuticle pusher I'm going to push down the pattern on my nail so that there are no bubbles or gap left, and it should stick really well to your nail. So the extra part I'm either going to cut off, or I'm going to use the sharp side of my cuticle cutter and just going to press it down so that the pattern comes off like this. It's very easy, girl. It's not at all complicated, and I'm just loving this nail art these days. I just file off the excessive on the top, and this is it. See, it's so easy. So I'm just gonna do the other nail like the same way I did. The only thing you have to be careful is that your nail paint should be tacky when you put down your decal on your nail. So make sure that the nail paint is tacky so that the decal doesn't slip off. And then you're just going to clean off the sides with some acetone. And then you're going to apply a clear nail paint on top of that. I'm just going to decorate my other nails with some rhinestones, and with that we are done. So this is it for the nail art, which I totally love it because I have the minimum time to do my nails. So once I'm done with the decals, it dries off easily also, and it's easy for me to manage with the baby Arjun Singh. So I just totally love this, and I hope you'll like it too. Thank you so much for watching. Bye.